This video explains the spousal maintenance present value tool in family law software. To get to this tool, just click the Negotiate tab and then choose Present Value. There's nothing you have to do here. You just see the present value result, which you can see right here. This is the present value, also known as the buyout amount, for the maintenance that has been entered so far. If you want to see what that maintenance is, or you haven't entered it yet, you can click this link to enter spousal maintenance. You'll see that the present value of the two spouses is equal in this case. And that will be the case where spousal maintenance is not taxable or deductible to either party on a federal or state basis. Typically, that is the case today. If, however, the spousal maintenance is deductible for one party and includable for the other, you will see that the two parties' present values or buyout amounts of spousal maintenance will be different. When the buyout amounts were different, there was a negotiation required in order to determine the buyout amount that the parties would use. Where the buyout amounts are the same, there's no negotiation required. It's much simpler. You can just use the number that is displayed. You can also see the interest rate, also known as the discount rate, that the software is using. By default, the software uses a current 20-year Treasury bill rate. One thing you can see is that the rate that is displayed here is quite low by historical standards, and you can see that if the rate is higher, then the present value amount is lower because future payments are discounted by a higher rate. So that's the buyout amount for the actual spousal maintenance. Now what if you just want to ask what if about spousal maintenance? You can do that too on the screen. So let's say spousal maintenance is going to be $1,000 per month for 60 months, that is 5 years, and I can clear this checkbox, and instantly we see the value of spousal maintenance. At the bottom of the screen there's a graph, and I can click to update the graph, and we see that the graph now reflects the $58,000 of spousal maintenance. If I want more detail about the calculation, I simply click this explanation link, and I can see in detail how the buyout amount is calculated. This is very useful if you have a client who understands arithmetic a little bit, but doesn't understand the concept of present value. And similarly, if you're working with a judge or another party or other party's attorney who would like to negotiate a spousal maintenance buyout, but doesn't understand the concept of present value, this explanation can show them how it works. And that's our present value tool in family law software. Thanks for watching.